Good morning, sir. My name is Vivek. I study 7th class. Today I am telling about English SST question answer test.
Describe the way economics
Loudly.
and the crops grown in the Malaya region.
India has one of the most extensive flat and fertile plain in the world. These plains lie to the south of the Himalaya. They extend from the Satluj River in the west and the Brahmaputra River in the east. The basin bounded by the Himalaya. And in the Brahmaputra in the basin bounded by the Himalaya in the north and the Peninsular Plateau in the south. It merged with the Indus. It merged with the Indus. The
Basin.
the basin.
The basin.
The plateau, the basin.